Hey Taylor-tots, I am in the backstage and I'm ready to show you all the gig and for you to get all your life. Let's go. Hey Taylor-tots, welcome back to Justice is Served. Sorry, I keep finding out that I'm holding up the camera a little too low and I'm cutting off half of my face. So, I wanted to welcome you to the first fabulous diva. She's actually the individual that brought me here, Madge D. Hello, honey.
Hi, darlings.
She's throwing on some shit so we can go get a cocktail. Like, we're like half-ass throwing stuff on to go get a drink because it is 900 degrees right now. And when I tell you, it looks like it's high, but it's like,
oh
I always
God.
cut my forehead off.
Oh, it's good. You can't see these. Okay, let's cover that.
We hold it up here for the MySpace.
Okay.
I love it. Hey, what's up?
This is our bartender, Jolie.
Yes.
She takes care of us.
What's up, Justice?
And she got her titties
you.
out in the sun.
Yes. I take my titties out too, but I put them in my purse. Girl, hello. This is Anastasia.
Hello, hello.
What's up? I told her I Googled her. I looked her up on the Facebook because I was like, girl, she's a brown version of me, honey.
The books of the face. Yes.
She goes, yeah, and I said, I'm trying to be a brown version of myself, to be honest with you, girl. This just ain't working, I'm telling you. So we're gonna see what we can get throughout the day. As we're in between sets, I want all the entertainers to get an opportunity to say hello, introduce themselves, what they do out of drag, and where they want to do it for their aspiration of drag. And then, of course, if it ain't got shit to do with drag, let's talk about real life. I mean, who cares? And at the end of the day, girl, if y'all want to send me super thanks on here, that's the heart with the plus, girl. All the tips go straight to me. Thank you. And a few tips for you, get your roots done. But I love you guys. I will see you in a little bit, and stay tuned. And I put this gown on with no makeup, no body, nothing. And it ended up getting 130,000 views. So I have to now do the reveal. I'm sweaty mess. But I have to do the reveal now. So what it looks like as Uncle Fester in a gown. Because I'm bald, just so y'all know. I know this luscious hair makes you question. But then I'm going to do the reveal, okay? You good?
That's not your hair.
You're out of that. I need some noise. What?
That's not your hair?
Yeah, I bought it. I took it off my back and put it on my head. It's like Donald Trump, a comb over. She said, no politics, no politics.
Shit, I call Humpty Dumpty McFuckstick how I see him. I don't give a shit. At least Stormy Daniels got $130,000 for that 2 minutes. Okay, are we ready for the reveal? Are we revealing?
Revealing these nipples, girl.
Girl, this is a PG-19-ish show. Keep your nipples in the dress.
On the movie Scream, they show these in PG-13. Are you ready?
All right, give her a hand for the reveal on the dress. Oh, and they better appreciate this on TikTok. Now she gotta walk away.
I thought you was gonna take the wig off.
Bye, girl. Bye. We'll see you.
Alright guys, so you saw a lot. We're gonna hopefully get some people to talk, but girl, it's 9,000 degrees, so none of us was wanting to really talk, to be honest with you. We're sweating our ass off and hoping we can keep our hair down, and my makeup is very textured right now. Needs to go up a little higher. So we're gonna go out. I want you to see the crowd that was here. It has dwindled away just a smidge because some of them couldn't take the heat, so they left, you know that saying. But you know.
Kirstin Orlando.
Show her.
Our special guest, Miss Justice.
All right, let's go out here, girl. Tell them they're gonna be in the video now.
Oh, you gonna be in the video, so if you want me in, you better come.
Y'all make some noise for her.
Miss Anastasia Torres.
I love it.
She old.
Tell them your name because I want to see if they get it.
Reese Eve Cocx.
I've known her for years and didn't know it. I knew her, but I didn't know what it meant. Tell them your name, girl. My name is Anastasia Torres from Houston, Texas. I'm living in Huntsville, Alabama now. Yeah!
Thank you for coming and sticking with us.
Taylor-tots, want to tell you, okay, no, come on in, girl. We were waiting for everybody, but we were like, we got to get it done. So I got my girls covered up, not them. I know my body's big, but and I'm not covering up all the girls. But we had such a great time here in Huntsville, Alabama. We got so busy that there was no time to do interviews. I do want to actually get an opportunity to interview y'all if we could actually do like a Skype or something like that and do a one-on-one for my channel, because I really want to uplift the community, and by the community, I mean every community. We always talk about LGBTQIA+, but when it comes down to it, it's not that you're put into those alphabet letters at this moment. We're talking about every single person in this world that has ever felt different or like they didn't belong. And just know, when it comes to drag, honey, we put on makeup to look like something different but usually it's our true, authentic self. I want to say say thank you to all of you because y'all have been so welcoming with me coming to visit. I already knew you, bitch, and I already knew you, bitch, and I already knew you, bitch, but you knew.
And
I'm just saying. And then Sharon Cocx is holding the camera all day, so I'm telling you, she's the bomb. She can sing the house down. Don't let her know. I'll send you to her TikTok. I'll put it in the description just so you know, because homegirl, she sings when you don't think that you're watching, girl. She's rolling her eyes right now because she knows we're right. But thank you again, the camp. I appreciate it. And then, of course, putting me up in the amazing AC hotel. Not AC as in air conditioning. They have air, though.
That hotel's on the other side of town. We didn't put you in that one. It pays by the hour.
They put me in the show. But I appreciate it. And I'm standing here looking crazy. But again, we're trying to get this shit off. It's hot as hell. Is there anything that y'all want to say to the Taylor-tots right now?
Thank you.
Add
tartar sauce.
I can't stand her ass. She's over here thinking about damn food. I can't stand her ass. All right, we love you. Okay, so we're gonna do a kiss. Let me just pull these girls up together. So on 3, we're gonna kiss bye because that's how I end all my videos.
Okay.
Not my nipples or my fingers, girl. All right, so 1, 2, 3. Mwah.